The best way to discover the majesty of the great land of Alaska is on a fun ship vacation. You'll sail along 67 miles of awesome scenery in the Lynn Canal and see the 16 glaciers that make up College Fjord in Prince William Sound. Torquechacan, a picturesque harbor town built on stilts and the totem pole capital of the world. Get a taste of the gold rush in Skagway. See the mighty Mendenhall Glacier in Juneau, Alaska's colorful capital city. Experience the czarist past of Russian America in Sitka. And spend an entire day in Glacier Bay, a protected national park that is home to plentiful wildlife. To see even more of this vast wonderland, add an Alaskan cruise tour to your fun ship vacation, either at the beginning or end of your cruise. With the extra time, you can visit Denali National Park, site of Mount McKinley, America's highest peak. Visit the contemporary port city of Anchorage and Fairbanks, Alaska's second largest city, where you can pan for gold. A Carnival Alaskan vacation could easily be the most spectacular vacation you'll ever take.